Stay connected on your trips with Superhero eSIM. Let's walk through the process of activating your Superhero eSIM so you can enjoy seamless connectivity anywhere you go in 5 simple steps. Make sure your device is eSIM compatible, network unlocked, connected to the internet, either Wi-Fi or cellular. Let's dive into how to install an eSIM using a QR code. Step 1. Purchase a plan. Start by purchasing your eSIM on our website or app. Once you're done, open the Superhero app, go to My eSIMs. Tap Install Your eSIM button. Go to QR code instructions. Step 2. Save the QR code. You'll see a QR code on your screen. Save the QR code to another device for scanning by tapping Share Code or Screenshot and share it. Open camera. Point it at the QR code on the other device. Step 3. Cellular plan option will show up. Click on the yellow button with Cellular Plan and wait a few seconds for the eSIM to install. Step 4. Your Superhero eSIM is ready. You can change the label to Superhero eSIM. This keeps your regular SIM and travel eSIM separate. Select Superhero eSIM only for mobile data. When you arrive at your destination, remember to turn off data switching to avoid extra charges. Select default line as your primary line. If you have a second SIM, choose iMessage line that you want to use. Your eSIM is installed. Step 5. Now, when you arrive at your destination, activate Superhero eSIM for data and turn on data roaming for a smooth internet connection. Enjoy seamless connectivity with Superhero. Got questions? Just ask. Our customer support team is always available to help you make the most out of your trip. Get ready for your next adventure with Superhero eSIM. Stay connected and explore the world, hassle-free.